In this video, we're going to replace this interior door handle on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Take this cover off. You can use a trim tool. Just get behind here. It's just clipped in on the back. There's a cover right here. Just use a pick or a straight blade screwdriver. Just get underneath. Take that cover off. It's just clipped in on the back side. Underneath here, do the same. Just use the pick or a screwdriver and pop that cover off. Take the lock knob off. Just use a pick. Just get underneath here and slide it up. Now take this bolt out. Use a 10mm socket. And there's 2 bolts down here. Take those out. Now take those out. You can use a magnet. I'm going to take the switch off. You can leave it on and take the door panel off and just disconnect it from underneath, but it's a little bit easier to get to the connectors if you take it off now. Just use a trim tool. Get underneath there. Pop it up. Then in the front, slide it out, and you can disconnect the connectors, push down on the tab, and slide them all out. And using a trim tool, you just have to pop the clips. And grab the panel and pull this cable off. You want to use some needle nose pliers, and there's some clips right here. This one is messed up a little bit, so you just want to push on those 2 little tabs and then slide the cable with the ball out and slide the panel out. On the back side, we're going to use a 7mm socket. Take these screws out. Now we're going to take a straight blade screwdriver and just get underneath here. It's just clipped in. You just want to push it forward, and the switch will come out. And slide the whole bezel out. Now there's a little nail right here that goes through, or a little pin, and you want to pop that out. Just take a punch and a hammer. You just want to tap it out. Get on there. Give it a couple taps. Might be able to grab it with some pliers. And that will slide right out. And then the handle will just slide out of there. Take the new handle. It's going to slide in the same way. Once it's lined up, take the pin, slide it through, and take your hammer. Just give it a little tap. And tap it all the way down, and you can reinstall it in the car. Now take the bezel, and you can take this switch. We'll reinstall that now, and then just slide the wires through. Just try to hold it all together. Get this lined up, locked in place. And put the screws in. slide the wiring harnesses through here. You need to connect this cable over here. That's going to go through there and then pop in place just like that. And lift up on the door panel. There's a groove on the top. You need to slide that into the weather strip. And then with the door push pins lined up, you want to re-secure the door panel. There we go. Now take the switch, connect all the connectors. They're all labeled here. You just match the color up. White and black. I'll line this up. Line this up and lock it down. Now take the screws, get these all started. And the top one. And tighten these down. Now we can put these covers on, just line it up, push it on. This cover's going on. Lock it in place. And the cover up here, lock it down. And put the lock knob on, line that up, push down on the lock, double check, make sure it works.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.